Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Ina, and today's video I have yet another wig install for you guys. I am sporting short hair this time around. This unit is from BestHairBuy. It's a short, curly, invisible T-part wig. It has the adjustable straps, the combs to secure your wig. It is pre-parted for you already. You have about a ½ inch to an inch of lace to work with. Immediately after getting the wig, I did customize the hairline so that it looks a little bit more natural. The only thing that I did was use the tweezers to pluck a little bit of the hairline, and then I used powder to face powder, that is my complexion of course, to apply onto the lace so that I can camouflage those knots. So you don't have much lace to work with, so plucking or tweezing the hairline isn't, that big of a big deal. So as you guys see here, I'm just adjusting the unit to make sure that it's aligned properly before gluing it down. As always, I use the same glue to apply all of my wigs. I'm using the Ghost Bond glue. I applied 2 layers of the glue, let it dry clear, and then you are going to see me apply the wig onto my hairline. I did do the ball cap method this time around. I definitely felt like it was necessary just so that this install can be on point. So this wig actually reminded me and brought me back to the days when I used to make my pixie haircuts. If you are one of my loyal subscribers, you guys already know the pixie wigs that I used to make, as well as the mohawk pixie wigs. This was just giving me that same vibe. So I was super excited when I received this wig from BestHairBuy to try. So the glue dried clear, so now I'm just using my rat tail comb to make sure that this lace is laid. And it was pretty simple and straightforward to apply in this wig. I'm just making sure that I'm putting more powder onto the hairline just so that it blends really well with my complexion. This wig did really well. Like, I was skeptical at first, but after applying that wig onto my hairline, I was super impressed. So now you guys are seeing me just cut the lace. You're just gonna cut the lace all around. This wig was basically from ear to ear. It fit me well. Like, I didn't really have to cut as much around the ear. No baby hairs this time around, you guys. So I am giving you guys all of these installs without these baby hairs. So for those of you that don't like and despise baby hairs, you say that you're too old for baby hairs, or you just can't do baby hairs, you do not need to do a baby hairs with all of your installs. You just have to make sure that your wig is customized to the T so that it looks as natural as possible. So the only other thing that I did to this wig was just trim it a little bit. There were some longer hairs. When you get a wig, you have to make it your own. You have to make it look bright. You can't just slap on a wig. So you guys are just going to see me basically part the wig where it's supposed to, because it's already pre-parted for you. And then as far as the hairline is concerned, I'm just going to take my Got2b gel, and I'm just going to use that just to brush the hairs, and then you'll see me tie it with the satin scarf. That is just to make sure that everything is laid in place and that everything is set as far as the glue is concerned. So the only thing that I used in order to style this wig is my Nairobi foaming mousse. That is pretty much all you'll need. You don't need a flat iron, you don't need a curling iron, you don't need any of that. This was a super duper easy wig to install and to style. I am now wearing it for 4 days now, and I literally have no issues at all. I just tie down the hairline accordingly, and then I use my bonnet in the morning. All you need is that mousse and you are good to go. So like I said, I really had a lot of fun installing this wig. It's actually very different for me. I kind of feel like it makes me look older, and it actually looks like my hair. Like, it looks like a cut. It looks like a fresh cut. All right, y'all. So I am pretty much done styling this wig. Believe it or not, this is it. I'm just making sure that the mousse is distributed all around the hairs. And then I am going to let that air dry while I do my makeup. And that is pretty much it. I will leave some photos of how the hairstyle came out at the end of the video. So be sure to check that out. And if you guys are interested in this unit, the details will be down in the description box below. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.